Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I got love and try, I'm giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I got love and try, I'm giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no, more. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be tackling this huge mess that I have made all on my own. No, really. I am a mom of 4 kids and have a husband, and we have a little dog. So, you know, it can get a little hectic up in here. So you guys, welcome back. If you're new, hi, I'm Anna. So today I'm going to be tackling this mess, and this was my own fault actually, because I did not clean up the dishes from the night before. I have to remove all this clutter because I was starting to do the dishes and then I just saw all the clutter over there that needed to be put away, so I quickly grabbed that, and then I can clean off that counter area or have it look, you know, not cluttered, and then I can start on the dishes after all the trash and all the miscellaneous items are put away. You guys, I really want to get new cutting boards because these ones are just so old, and I feel like I just cannot get them super clean like I used to. They just get stained over time with like cutting up like fruits and vegetables, meat, and like colorful fruit, and it just keeps staining these, and they're made out of like that hard plastic, which I don't even know if it's really healthy. But what do you suggest? Do you think I should get wood ones? Because I really was looking at some bamboo ones that I found on Amazon, and I think it's like a pack of 4 for like $30 or something like that. So what do you guys use? Let me know down below.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time it was something in the air the night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close, and my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down.
You guys, we have been having such great weather. It has been like in the 85 to 90s, and actually we haven't even hit 90s yet, I don't believe. Maybe last week we did once, but it has been like the perfect spring weather for here in Las Vegas, and I'm just enjoying every minute of this weather, and I can't wait for the kids to be off of school. We're gonna do so much fun things this summer, and I just can't wait because I miss them when they go to school. So it's going to be amazing to have Catalina home all day long and then Ian home all day long.
I saw you, I knew all the time it was something in the air Don't break my heart. Just say that you won't go and break my. Just say that you won't go and break now. Just say that you won't go and break my. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. That you won't.
I'm so lucky that the kids were just being so good for me today and just watching their show and just asking me for their little snacks. Right there, they're having their snack. You can see them behind me. So, but they're being so good. And some days are like, wow, I got it handled. And then some other days are like, please help me. You know how it is? Like, I know, you guys know. You know how it is, right? Finally getting down to the last bit of the pots and pans. You guys know that I don't really love washing pots and pans. I don't know what it is about them. It's just like they're so big, they don't fit in the dishwasher. You have to hand wash them, each and every one. And it's just, I don't know, when I see them, I'm just like, ah. This is my favorite spray, and I've mentioned it before in my other cleaning videos that I did. It is the Method Glass and All-Purpose Cleaner, and it smells so good. I think it's a minty smell, but it smells really good. It really shines up the surface so well. It works really good on glass, and it just smells amazing. I just love it. And I did run out of it, so I need to go and grab some more. But look at that shine. It looks really pretty. Moving on to the bedroom, you guys. This room was a little bit wrecked because I did not make the bed in the morning, and usually I like to do that because it just sets the mood for the day and just helps me to get motivated to stay on top of like the cleaning and like other tasks that I have to do that day. So I just start off by making the bed and then moving on to the bathroom.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never ending sunshine. everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
Now that the bed is all made, I'm just going to grab my throw pillows and put those on top of the bed because it just looks well put together and so cute, even though like when we get in there we knock all the pillows down anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but I just like the way that it looks. But eventually I'm going to change out this comforter cover and the pillows, and I think I'm gonna go for something a little bit more like a beige or cream color, maybe even rose. What do you guys think about that?
Everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you?
Moving on to the bathroom, it was a little bit cluttered in here, but not too bad because I had just really deep cleaned it the other day. So I just picked up all the mess and did one load of laundry that I had sitting there on the ground. My camera must have died because I don't know what happened to that footage, but you guys, I just want to thank you so much for being here and watching my video. I will see you next week. Love ya.